For families who value simplicity, sustainability, and connection to the land, Harbour View offers something truly unique. A place where every detail, from the choice of coffin to the cake served afterwards, can reflect your environmental values. As one of the most environmentally friendly cremation providers in the UK, Harbour View is a place where your final footprint can be one of care, not compromise. Whether you're planning ahead or arranging something now, we invite you to discover how Harbour View honours both memory and nature. So learn more about natural burials, low impact cremations, plus our sustainable services and green initiatives at harbourview.co.uk, or visit us to see it for yourself.